Hello, guys. This is Minister Tabo Praise King from Tribes of Evolution. I'm with the center manager of Tembelicha House, Halfway House. Ma'am, hello.
Hello, welcome
Ma'am,
here by us.
can we get your name first now?
My name is Joe Bosch. I'm the Center Manager of Timbalicha Halfway House in Carltonville.
I see we are having a fruitful and a great event today. We just wanted to ask, what was the importance of having this event today?
The importance of the event today is to make the people more health active, because a lot of our guys are not really health active. They don't believe in exercise and doing things like that. And that's very important to clear your mind, to keep your body health. And also the other reason they was there, if there's any other health questions about HIV, anything that they need to know, and then there was professional people to assist them with that.
Ma'am, as I was speaking with one of the guys, one of the beanies, they were saying they really enjoyed the day. So I just want to find from you, what was your expectation from the beanies today?
The expectations of from the bennies for me, it was that they be active. They must be take part of it. They must enjoy it. That is very important for me. They must not just do it because I told them or the health team told them to do it. They must do it because they want to do it. So also for me to participate together, it's important because they also need to mingle. They need to learn how to work with
Yes,
people.
ma'am. Some of the guys were saying, would you have more of the sessions nearer in the future?
Oh, definitely, definitely. We did have the 1st of May, we have the fun day. That was also team building. So we have this session. So yeah, it's at least once a month or twice every second month. We love to have something like this for them, so that they can also feel at home. We need to let them feel at home.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I believe that you are busy today, but I just want us. I want you to tell us just a little bit more about Tembelicha. What is Tembelicha Halfway House? What does Tembelicha Halfway House does? What is the goal of Tembelicha? What was the purpose of Tembelicha Halfway House being opened?
The reason for the halfway house is there's a lot of crying in the communities. There's a lot of drug people, there's a lot of Nigerians really, and other people selling drugs to our communities, and that for me is a very sore point. So this is also initiative of Mr. Ratladi and Mrs. Ratladi, so that we can help youth through this process. And also we have a nice big facility. The other reason also why we specifically doing this is because when a person goes to a rehab,
Yes, ma'am.
what are they doing after a rehab? A rehab is there for, let's say, 3 months tops, and then you're not ready to go home yet because you did not have that. They take you from a place, they put you in a rehab. Now, where are you going? You're not ready to see the people that you joined with. So that is why we are there. So we saw also that gap, and also there's not big facilities.
Yes.
There is halfway houses doing what we do, but it's very small. It's like a 20-year or a 30-year or a 40. And then we are able to accommodate 214. And the nice thing of all, we also give them a skill while they're here. So the skills that they get, it's like they're getting a community house building or plant production.
Yes, ma'am.
Or a plumbing skill.
Yes.
So after they go and they have the right qualifications to assist or to go through this skill program, they get an accredited certificate afterwards that can help them in the future.
So what I can say is that you are preparing them for the real for real life challenges.
Yes, we want to put them back in the community, whereby they can face people and says no.
So in a way, it's a way for them to prove themselves that they have changed. Now they are rewriting their stories now.
Yes, they're writing their stories now, and what's good of our facility as well, we've got a medical team on our facility.
That's very nice.
Yes, and we also got social workers.
Yes, ma'am.
So they're also going through the social worker thing, where the social worker will assess them. Every problem that they have, they go to the social workers will assess them, And that is what we're very proud of. We have lots of success stories here,
Yes.
whereby the people really wants to change.
Oh, yes. Another thing, I hear you speaking about skills development. I just wanted to ask just a few things. Uh, do they pay for those skills?
No, they're not paying for the skills.
Wow.
The skills is, we're giving the skills part of the program. It's also covered, empowered by Gauteng DSD.
Yes, ma'am.
They make it possible for us to do it.
Yes.
But I must say there's no stipends. You don't receive a stipend while you're doing the skill because you're staying here, and while you're staying with us, we give you the skill.
So one thing for sure, they don't get a stipend, but they get a certificate that is accredited by
Like-
SACA.
They get a certificate that's accredited by CIRA.
CIRA.
Yes.
Is it Saseto in SACA?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good. That's very good.
Yeah.
Because most of the people they pay for such skills
Yes.
that you are giving them.
Yes.
So I believe Tembelicha is doing a very great job. So I just want, on behalf of the guys, I just want to thank Mr. Ratlari and Mrs. Ratlari and you as a center manager, because you are one of the people that are making sure that the vision of Mr. Ratlari and Mrs. Ratlari it it is prosperous at the end of the day. So we thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Joey, and we thank you for your husband for allowing you to be present for the bees. So we thank you very much, ma'am. So where can they find Tembelicha when maybe let's say someone wants to register to come into Tembelicha? Where can they register?
We are busy with a website. We do not have a website yet. We are in a serious process of a website. We do have a Facebook that you guys can go to the Facebook. And then I also just want, if I may,
Yes, ma'am.
it says that remember we are an NPO. So if there's any funders outside that also wants to be part of raising up the community, please feel free to come and talk to us. We are in Carltonville, 20 South Street. And then we will also put a number on the video whereby they can
Definitely
contact
will do.
us.
So guys, I just want to thank everyone, our viewers and everyone that is watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel and on the Facebook. Please follow Tembelicha Halfway House Facebook channel. So guys, one thing that I want to say is that let us support this vision because it is a great vision. And if there's someone that wants to fund, that wants to support, please don't hesitate to call us on the number that will be showing on the screen. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ms. Joey.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.